YouTubes! Welcome back, Haunt Fam. So I've got a gallon of froggy swamp juice here, and I want to see if we can actually make blacklight fog. Okay, YouTubes, so we've got a 1,000-watt fog machine. I've got equal amounts of fog juice poured into these clear cups, and I've got some dyes. I don't know if they'll work. I'm assuming because it's glycerin and it heats up, the fog heats up and dissipates it. That wouldn't do the same with alcohol. I don't know. We're gonna find out. I've got some dark colored liquid here that's supposedly green from Dapper Cadaver. I got this in MHC 2021 in Milwaukee, so we're going to try this. I've got some other alcohol inks I use for my resin projects that are also blacklight that are green. So we're going to try and do green. We're going to try and do pink. So I've got a blacklight pink alcohol ink, and I've got one from Amazon. And if any of these products actually work by the end of the video, I will link them below so you guys know you can go and try it yourselves. And I also have a blue. Now most of these ones I've used in my witches bottles. They look great. So I'm hoping that these will kind of work for this. So let's kill the lights. I'll turn the black light on. We'll start adding some glow liquid to the fog juice. We'll put it in the machine when it gets dark. We'll fire off 3 different colors and see if we can actually make blacklight fog. See if it's possible. Okay, YouTubes. So we're going to go ahead and start adding our ink. I've got an 80-watt blacklight on right now. Let's see what happens. Oh, wow. A couple of drops. That's pretty wild. That's about 3 drops. Maybe we should try and add some citrine blacklight juice or alcohol ink in there. So I think that's probably more than enough. We don't want to go too crazy, but that's definitely glowing, so that's pretty cool. We've got our pink, so we can make our pink glow. And again, we're just adding it to fog juice. Wow. I don't want to put too much in there, and if we burn that machine up, we're just going to beat it with a hammer and throw it on the roof. Let's go ahead and try our alcohol ink and see what that does for us. Okay, that's 3 drops. And again, we'll have to put 1 color in at a time, and I'll clean the machine individually with machine fog cleaner. So, alright, so we've got some pink, and let's see how this blue does. Oh, that's a couple of drops. That's not very bright, but it might show up anyways. Alright, let's go for broke. Alright, I don't know if the blacklight will pick this up, but we got our colors mixed up. I think I'm going to go ahead and get the fog machine set up. I'm going to get the little graveyard in place, and we're going to do us a test as soon as it gets dark. Okay, YouTube, so I went ahead and got our little graveyard scene set up. I've got some dollar store poster board to see if the blacklight, if it actually does work, if the fog's going to stain anything. Is that why they don't make blacklight fog? I don't know. So hopefully in a couple of hours it gets dark. We're going to fire up the fog machine, we're going to blow fog in this way, and we're going to see if we can make blacklight fog, and if it stains, and if it even works. We'll know when it gets dark in probably maybe 2 hours, so I'll see when it gets dark. Okay, YouTube, so excuse this daytime interlude, it is not at night as promised. I had sort of an epic fail and my fog machine died. The pump went out, I tried replacing it, couldn't get a part for it, it's Chinese, I don't know what the hell is going on with it. So we're going to award this thing a ribbon of shame, and it's going to spend the remainder of its days on the roof of the garage. Son of a bitch. Okay, YouTubes, so our replacement machine is a beautiful all-steel body Chauvet Hurricane H1200. This thing is awesome. It's all metal. Let's go plug this sumbitch up with some fog juice. Okay, YouTubes, it's at night and we have a full moon. Let's go set up the tripod. Okay, YouTube, so the graveyard's set up. We've got our 2 little Dollar Tree test panels set up to see if this stuff will actually stain, if it actually comes out of the fog machine. We're going to do a regular pass of fog juice first. This is sort of a control group. So let's fire that off and see what it looks like in the dark. Alright, this is our regular fog juice. I'm going to clean the machine, and then we're going to try the blue first. Okay, YouTube, so here's our blue. You can see it's glowing. I'm going to plug it in the machine. We're going to fire it off and see what happens. Looks like it's definitely picking up a little bit, but nothing crazy. I definitely don't see it as blue fog. Let's do another burst and see what it looks like. Alright, doesn't look very blue to me. Maybe I didn't add enough of that blue stuff. I don't know. But let's go ahead and try the pinkish red color now. I'll clean the machine out, run the fog through. Let's try pink, see if that works. Okay, so here's our pink fog juice. I'm going to go ahead and plug this in the machine. I've got it cleaned out. We're going to plug this in. We'll try the pink next. There we go. A nice long burst. Well, it's got a pink tinge to it, but I wouldn't say pink. Let's go again. It does kick out some fog though. That's a little pink, kind of a tinge. Maybe if I put more dye into it. Alright. Okay, YouTube, so here's our Dapper Cadaver dye in the green. Let's plug the green in the machine, see what we get. Not remotely green. I'll give it one last ditch effort. The feed hose is definitely green. Okay, YouTube, so that's definitely not looking green to me. I don't see any stains. I don't see the tombstones changing colors. Our poster boards look the same, so whatever dyes I put in there, maybe the concentrations were too low. I don't know, but I wanted to give it a try. Figure, hey, maybe we can make some blacklight fog. Why don't they make blacklight fog? Maybe Froggies can tell us how come they don't make blacklight fog. I'd like to know, so I took my best shot at it. I think maybe the pink was probably the best one, so I don't know. I tried. What the hell? It didn't hurt. And we got a brand new fog machine out of it, so that's awesome. So, you guys get a chance, go check out my brothers in the Trio of Terror. Go see Vic over at Monster Misfits or Dave the Weird Kid Show, guys. We're constantly putting stuff out or taking chances or seeing how we can improve our hunting game. So I see you guys again. It was kind of an epic fail and kind of a bust. Maybe the pink was the best, so I'll link the pink below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Until I see you again, keep it evil, always. Ooh,